Hi, good morning, ohayo gozaimasu, namaste. I'm Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an eggplant Korean style, little bit spicy, but it will be very tasty. So, let's start. Please start before we start the video, you subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you very much. For make a Korean style eggplant, I took an eggplant like around 4 piece. It's around 400 gram, and cut it like this Thai style. We call it chili flakes to make it spicy. 3 tablespoon oyster sauce, chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, shoyu, and spring onion, sesame seeds, and ketchup, and 1 tablespoon sugar and cornstarch. So let's start. We use a pan like this and add the oil around 4 to 5 tablespoons and wait for make it hot. Here we have the eggplant already cut, and I'm going to add cornstarch around 4 tablespoons. And just mix it like this. After heat the pan, I'm going to add eggplant like this. Because of cornstarch coating, it will be a very crispy and yummy. Now it's done from another side also. I will take it out. Now I put the pan again to make a sauce. 2 tablespoon oil. After I heat the oil, I'm going to add chili flakes to make it spicy. You can choose the quantity according to your taste. 1 tablespoon garlic. Just little bit saute the garlic. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon shoyu, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, sugar 1 tablespoon, and just cook it. One teaspoon black pepper and salt. Just wait for 30 seconds. The sugar will be melted and become caramelized. Now you can see. Now it's time to add eggplant. And 1 tablespoon ketchup. Just cook for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to add green onion little bit. You can see it's looking yummy. Now it's time to serve. Close the gas. My seeds.